In this video, I'm going to be going through 5 proven tips to skyrocket your earnings on the OnlyFans platform. Now, I see creators getting these things wrong all of the time, and they're pretty straightforward. Some of them are, some of them aren't, but you really need to get these in place if you want to make a good amount of money on OnlyFans and scale your account past 50 to 100K a month in revenue. So let's go. So the first thing is that you don't want to have too many links in your link tree that's in your bio. And now there's a couple of reasons for this. First reason is if a potential subscriber actually clicks on that link and then sees so many different links in the link tree, he's going to get distracted by all the other links. If he's given an option, right, should I see her on Reddit for free or should I just go to the OnlyFans and pay? He's always going to try and see you on Reddit for free just in case he doesn't have to pay, right? Because potentially on Reddit, you might have what he's looking for already. And then he's going to have absolutely no need to actually go to the OnlyFans account. But if you do just have the OnlyFans link there and someone comes directly from an Instagram reel of yours, he's going to be persuaded to literally just click that OnlyFans link, and it's going to increase your sub rate by a huge amount. Another reason, even if you don't have your Reddit, your Twitter, but for example, you've got your Fansly, you've got your OnlyFans, maybe you've got other paid platforms in your bio. The main goal with a link tree is to make it as easy as possible for the potential subscriber to actually make a decision, right? You don't really want the subscriber guessing, oh, which one is the best? Shall I go to a Fansly or shall I go to our OnlyFans or shall I go to the other platform? Literally just doing this is going to distract the customer, and people's attention spans are terrible nowadays. They'll literally just click off the link tree and decide to just not subscribe to any of them whatsoever. Because at the end of the day, people want to make sure what they're paying for is going to be the best value as possible, even if it is $5 to $20, right? And if they can't tell that literally just from the outside, they're not even going to test any of them out. So tip number 2 is making sure you take all of your reels off of your profile grid. Now this is on Instagram, right? I see a lot of creators do this, and what it basically is when you post a reel, you've got the reel in the reels tab, but you've also got it in the profile grid. Now, the reason you want to take it off is, first of all, it makes the account look very messy. Account looks a lot cleaner once there is just posts in the profile grid and reels in the reels grid. Second of all, because it does look slightly messy, a lot of creators do like to keep their account clean. It can look like a little bit of a spam page. You know, the last thing you want for the subscriber to actually think of your page is that you're a potential spam creator, or maybe not even the creator, right? Maybe you're someone fake on the page. You want to keep it nice and clean so they can see all of your posts on your profile grid and all of your reels on your reels grid. And doing this is going to increase your sub rate and build trust in your page, so people are going to be way more willing to spend more money on the OnlyFans account itself. Third of all is use a dynamic content pricing strategy on the OF account itself. Now, what do I mean by this? The same piece of content that a subscriber would pay $20 for, another subscriber is going to pay $250 for. You don't want to sell a piece of content for $20 to the same subscriber who would buy it for $220, right? So how can you actually do this? Now, what you want to do is, for every good spender that you have come onto the account, you want to put them in a list called either low spenders, mid spenders, high spenders, or whales. Now, once you're separating these out into 4 lists, you have a good idea of what a customer is willing to spend. It's going to be a lot easier for you to put that dynamic pricing strategy in place so you can sell the content at the right prices that every single customer is going to be willing to spend on them. And it's one of the strategies which is easily going to get you above that 100K a month mark. So tip number 4 is build real relationships through DMs on the OnlyFans platform. At the end of the day, a lot of the subscribers who are coming onto your account do just want to talk. Not all of them just want to see that type of content, right? Now, of course, they probably want to see it as well, but they also want to feel some type of real relationship with you. And that's where your job is to actually build that relationship on the DMs so they actually feel like something is real. Now, I'm not saying you have to be their girlfriend, right? They don't have to be your boyfriend. It doesn't have to be anything like that. However, if you're just giving them the time of day and not just sounding like a saleswoman, oh, tip me $20 before you want to talk. If you're not doing that, you're already 2 steps ahead of all of the other creators who are on the platform who are doing that. And the subscriber is going to see something in you which he does not see in the other creators. And what's that going to mean? It's going to mean he's willing to spend more money with you than he will on other creators. And that is our main goal here, to get the customer to spend money on your account instead of other creators. So step number 5 is quality over quantity in your marketing. Now, this could be on your TikTok, on your Instagram, on your Twitter. If you are spamming out so many different videos every single day, but the quality is low, you are not going to get anywhere with them. Now, yes, you can get lucky, but if you're constantly pushing out low quality videos, which the customers aren't giving you good engagement on, the videos aren't going to do well, and it's going to be a huge waste of your time. However, if you literally spent 15 to 20 minutes a day making one very high quality video, for example a reel for Instagram, because it's high quality content, you're going to actually have a decent chance of going viral with that piece of content, and that is what you want for your account. Every single post that you put out to your account, you want to have a good chance of going viral, otherwise you're pretty much working for no reason. And the worst thing is putting all of this work into pushing out loads and loads of different content, and none of it's actually high quality, so it's not getting that good results. I hope these 5 tips helped, and if you are looking for management, then you can hit up my Instagram LOOXSTN, and our business page is Only Rising Ltd, so you can send us a message and we'll see if you are the right fit to work with us. Take care.